So we're leaving San Jose del Cabo, and we got back on the toll road, came all the way down the one, and then we really didn't want to deal with Cabo. We've been there a lot. It's just a big town. We're not really into the big town tourist stuff, so we stayed on this toll road up here instead of going into Cabo down here, so we didn't have to deal with the Cabo traffic. Then we went all the way up here because we were gonna go to Todos Santos, so we ended up staying San Pedro. Went to San Pedro. It was so we came up here and then we ended up staying in San Pedro. It's in here. It was like a surfing beach, and then the next morning we went and toured Todos Santos, did laundry, and then we took off after that. Getting back on the toll road here. This is where we'll stop and get the little piece of paper that you'll hand off at the end of the this is nice. It's not a wait. Just going right through and then up to Todos Santos, to deal with the Cabo traffic, which will be great.
Hola.
Right here.
Got 151 pesos.
Oh, look at those waves crashing. Very nice. What do you think of this beach? You like this beach? Huh? Cool ocean air. Oh yeah. What about you? Hey Jake, back in the corner. What do you think of this beach? I'm getting a look from you. This is how you get back on the highway. The Mexican frontage road.
Yeah.
Oh. And then we're on our way to Todos Santos. There we go. Looks like a tour. People doing ATVs. ATVs are huge down here.
So which road do I need
Go
to
straight.
turn on?
Go straight.
There's a lot of them.
Look at all those. That's a big tour. We're gonna go check this cafe out. They're supposed to have huge cinnamons.
My
And
favorite.
he's been dreaming about it for 2 days. So we're gonna go check this out and see if it's true. So we found it. Cafe Todos Santos. They're supposed to have the best cinnamon rolls. So we'll find out. And they got a nice area back here too. This is a really nice cafe. Is that it?
Imagine.
Well, you've been imagining it for 2 days.
That's what I was thinking about.
I'll get a cinnamon roll. Hola.
Cinnamon roll? Okay, yeah.
¿Para aquí? ¿Por here?
For here, yeah.
Yeah. Do you have chai tea?
I don't know.
Do you have chai tea?
Sí.
Latte? Dos.
¿Dos caras?
See.
Oh, look at that, honey.
Yeah, now you're talking.
No, espacio es mucho felista. Look at that. Let's look at your face. Oh, there you go. Lots of shops, kind of like Santa Fe or Taos, and it's very colorful. They have flags above the street up here. Really nice. Like colonial style. Very pretty. We're guessing they just stuccoed over the brick because the brick was starting to deteriorate. Beautiful houses though. Look at this huge wooden door there. Amazing. It's like 2 big doors and then 2 little doors on the bottom. So I guess they're having a film festival. That's what all the hubbub's about.
Yeah, it must be.
So beautiful here. Oh, and you can get to the cafe this way too.
Oh yeah, that's it right there.
Yeah.
It's a different restaurant.
Huh. So that was the backside of that cafe. Everything's so beautiful and clean here. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Look at this gate.
Yeah.
I do like all the art. So we're gonna go to the Cultural Museum and check out what it's like instead of a restaurant and a hotel all the time. It'd be nice to see the history of the culture here. Wow. So pretty here. Okay. We found it. Wow. Really nice murals. So I asked if it was okay to film because sometimes it's not. And she said it was fine. Most of this is in Spanish. The Indians lived here a long time before we even came. It'd be neat if there was like a translate headphone thing, huh? This is from the 1800s. A lot of the artwork hung pretty high. There's some Frida paintings. I like her work. This is the grounds the culture center's on. Everything's kept up really nice here. And they've done a reenactment of how people live here. It's very interesting. We got the beds, dresses. Has a dirt floor and a little sewing machine here. Oh, this looks like a kitchen where they ground everything up. The bowls they had. Wow. And a little hot plate here where they cooked. This is very interesting. I have this little garden around this other corner. Very pretty. It's hard to even take this in. It's so much 360 degrees looking. They got a little fire pit here. But hopefully this kind of gives you an idea what it looks like. Oh, there's a little gato. And there's a chicken. And going back around the museum here. It was very nice. Relaxing. Some more of the murals that are painted on here. All the museums we've been to has been very clean, very nice.
Tours.
Perfect. Here's an organic store and it has really good Wi-Fi in here. A grocery store. Cute little doggy. And then you can get teas, Wi-Fi. And then they have a nice little cafe here. Oh, and there's their connection. So make sure and look for them up here. Really nice cafe back here. Relaxing. Full of nice, fun little things. So we're going to probably hang out here and get some of our Wi-Fi work done. Fruits and vegetables here. And then lots of fresh spices. Grabbing some bananas. Some spaghetti sauce that we need.
Anything else?
I think that's it. And don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up and a comment below. Thank you.